Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add cryptocurrencies to MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open MetaTrader 4 and make sure that you link it your MT4 with a broker and a broker that has cryptocurrencies. Okay. After that, go and click on the dollar sign here and go to MetaTrader and choose this one, Crypto Group. And now all of these are cryptocurrencies that are available in my broker. Okay. So let's say, for example, I want to add Bitcoin. All you have to do is go to the search bar and type BTC USD. As you can see, BTC USD, Bitcoin versus US dollar. Click on it and click on show symbol. As you can see, I added to my watch list. Now let's add, for example, Ethereum, ETH equals Ethereum versus US dollar. Okay, click on show symbol. And if you don't know the symbol of your cryptocurrency, all you have to do is read here. As you can see, this is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin versus Japanese yen. Okay, as you can see, you can read Solana, Cardano, BNP. I think that you get the idea. And now after you finish, click on OK. Now go to your watch list and choose, for example, Bitcoin, click on it, drag it, and drop it on the chart. As you can see, this is Bitcoin. Now you can sell or buy if you want. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.